Welcome to Managing Money with me. Get stuck into costs when buying. Let's get started with Finance 101. We're looking at working out what you need to buy a home. Take some time to pause and read. Our hot tip is to take notes throughout each topic to really take in the info that best applies to you. Work out the true value of a property. And take a good note of this handy tip to help you get ahead. Now let's break down the deposit and the factors that affect it. Remember to pause and read. There's a great tip at the end. LVR. When you pause to read, have a go at working it out for yourself. Now on to lender's mortgage insurance, also known as LMI. This one is all about lenders and valuation. Pause to take this in. Stamp duty unfortunately applies to some purchases. Hit the pause button to understand why. Take note of this super handy hint. It's worth looking into what government concessions might be available to you. Read the helpful tips that could help save you money. Being prepared for fees makes life easier. Check these tips out. Brokers can really help navigate the process. A quick lowdown on interest. Read up all about it. Here's what to look for in property inspections. One thing to look out for is rising damp. And here's what to look out for when it comes to timber stumps. Make sure you check those ceilings. And lastly, make sure you get a pest inspection. Now let's jump into a case study. Make sure you read and take notes. The key takeaway here is to always inspect for no regrets. That's me done.